The Case company, co-founded by popular reviewer Michael Fisher, is making a leap to accessory maker to smartphone manufacturer. Announcement of Clicks Communicator, a $499 device to be ultimate second phone. While the company showed off with universal attachment known as Power Keyboard, the video Clicks unveiled a standalone that aims to bring back the golden communication first devices, like Black with a new twist. You're not trying to replace your high-end camera phone, but position as a company for which you get your work done. It's a simplified interface powered by Niagara Launcher, which keeps your apps in list rather than cluttered grid. The hardware is packed with enthusiast features that have vanished from a prompt key. A unique signal light on the back that color codes notification lets you know who is messaging you with a 3.5 headphone jack and a micro SD card slot. Some of the specs of the device, you get a keyboard which is backlit touch QWERTY. You get a USB Type-C for ports. You get a hardware switch for airline mode and normal side button. You get physical SIM and eSIM support. A 4-inch into 1200 resolution screen, 4000 mAh battery, 2 GB built-in memory, 50 megapixel main rear camera and 4 megapixel front-facing camera. Comes with a 4nm MediaTek 5G IoT, weighs 170 grams. Claim they will give 2 Android updates and feature 5 years of security updates. You get interchangeable back covers as well. Company also introduced a $79 power key that snaps onto the back of iPhones and MagSafe and can be used as universal for both smart TVs and AR headsets. You can also use it as a power bank to read your phone. Launch is significant because it's the bigger is better trend in communicator is niche, targeting digital minimalists and power users who miss legacy by including headphone jack, expandable and physical key. The Clicks is audience that feels abandoned by brands like Apple, Samsung or Google. Choice of specs also feels very interesting. 4-inch screen will be too small for watch videos, but 4000 mAh battery, huge for a device like this. It will last for days single charge.